the dragon fire. You feel the dragon fire.
Good morning. Yeah, buddy. Good morning, ladies and gentlemen, of TradeCaster.com, baby. Yeah, buddy, we're raising the energy in the room a little bit because currently in a trade, currently in an S&P trade. Let's see if we can get something going here. What's up, Dart Trader? Hey. Yeah, buddy. Yes, sir. Yes, it is, man. So in an S&P trade right now, we'll see if this works out. We'll see. It's a 50-50 right now. Oh, more. Let's see here. So, S&P. So, what was I looking for and still looking for? I have my stop placed. I have everything placed. Yada, 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 etc., etc. What I was looking for was a rip and run off these higher lows for new highs up into the 440-50 area. We're in a little bit of consolidation, a little bit of chop right now. So this is going to be my second trade of the day. I'll go over the first one a little bit here. Just give me 1 second. So 443, 448.2 is my absolute utter stop loss. If that hits 8.2, that's my stop completely. Gonna get out here. But we got a lot of wickets. So yeah, buddy, let's see it. Come on, S&P. We go from red to green. I know we're kicking it off. Hey, first off, good morning, everyone. Hope you guys are all having an amazing day. Come on, S&P. So what I'm looking for here is a little bit of a red to green move on these candles right here. I love all the lower shadows that are coming in. Look at that giant lower shadow. If this thing can come in, kill these lower highs forming, kind of kill this top here at 440.17, this area. So we're going to make a line right there. Kill it, we'll be good to go. So I needed to kill that. Let's see it, S&P. Come on, baby. So the reason is also we got AMD just punching in new highs. New high day, new high day, new high day. If we go to we go to Tesla. Let's check out Tesla. Tesla, not doing too hot. Amazon. Let's check out Amazon. Amazon, up near the highs, kind of doing its own thing as well. So we need that. There we go. Let's see some red to green action there. Yeah, buddy. So, taking a little breather. Gonna let it do its thing, but just waiting, just watching. Hope you guys are having a really profitable day so far. If you guys are trading. Oh, what's good, guys? Ryan says Deck just gave you a huge shout out. Oh, I love that guy. That's my guy. It's a party in here. I hope puts. Yeah, so if it comes down, I would 100% see puts. Give me a shout out. No, I feel special, guys. No, it's okay. Give me a second. There we go. All right, but other than that, yes, no. So here's the thing. We're up at these highs. We can 100% puts can happen here. Another thing that can happen here is if we get a red to green candle here, right? We get a red to green candle, maybe a little bit of consolidation pullback, and we spike to a new high. I'm not looking for $7, right? I'm not looking for $10. I'm looking for what is it? A couple, a dollar or whatnot. Maybe not even that. Maybe 20, 30 cents, right? So I have I think four contracts loaded up right now, and hey, hold on, we're coming down to it. And 100%, if it comes down here, you could potentially flip the script. If you're in on calls, there we go. Another lower shadow. If this can come up here, wick all the way up to 440.05. Let's see. That's 443.9. It would have to start spiking here to really kill it and punch it in above. So if it can't, no harm, no foul. No harm, no foul. So just starting the day off. I just got the stream popping or whatever. Just got it up. So if you guys are just tuning in or anything, in some calls right now I'll show you exactly where I got in and what I was thinking. Don't worry, I didn't get in during this consolidation period. It was during another period. Give me 1 second here. So come on, S&P. Let's see. Just don't break 8.2. As long as we're holding 8.2, I'm good. There we go. Little red to green, but it has to be a bigger red to green if it's gonna be that. Can't just be a little pop. Has to be something like, I like these candles. And another reason why, the only reason I'm still in these is because we have lower shadow, potential lower shadow. So, that SPY is about to check out for the weekend. Oh, yeah. Yeah, that is true. It's also Friday. So, guys, I'm trading Monday expiration contracts. And just always be cautious on Fridays or whatnot. Surely, the market is a little bit, as the day goes on, it gets less volatile, a lot of less volume, I guess. Yeah, that's really it. There's not as many people trading. People are going, enjoying their their week profits and enjoying their weekends. But some reason, I don't know, besides what just happened there. Okay, wait, hold up. There it is, 80. Hey.
Order filled.
I'm out, guys. I'm out. So, what was my game plan with that trade? What was the initial game plan? So, higher lows were forming. Higher lows. Got in right here for the higher low formation. Obviously, was up a little bit, but, not enough initially, you know what I mean? So, not to be greedy, but obviously a little bit of greed or whatnot. But, yeah, so didn't take it at all. Let this thing ride out, and my stop was 8.3, 8.2 area for a dump. But we have another lower shadow wick right there, so feel like I've been going for a day. Actually, yeah, so here's the thing. I do have a prop firm account right now, so hold up. Let me, I did actually. Hold on. I got, I think it's the one you said. Hold on. It's Top Trader or something like that? Take Profit Trader. I did get one, Dart Trader. So, yeah, buddy. We're killing it there. We're, you know, I'm gonna be trading out a little bit later today, only because I'm trading S&P right now with this. But I feel like it's not even a bad thing. So if anyone's just tuning in, I got a prop firm account that had $2,000 drawdown and a $3,000 gain, which is what you're looking for, which isn't really bad compared to some others. Some others I've had, which the other one I had was a $500 gain. I mean $500 drawdown, and I needed a $6,000 gain or something. So it was crazy. So yeah, I wasn't really looking forward to that, but I'm actually I'm loving this one, dude. And I like Tradeovate. That's my thing though. I like Tradeovate too. Because I think Tradeovate is a lot better than, I don't know, I was kind of dissing at first. And here's another thing, guys. I see all these lower shadows. If we break this, I might just hop in on some more calls. Right? So we're punching it in now. Just because we have lower shadow, lower shadow, lower shadow, lower shadow, lower shadow, and, you know, lower shadow. Like, all this in this entire area. Surely we're still forming lower highs, which is why I cut that and why I was looking to cut that. But look at all this, guys. Look at it now. Starting to really get the rip and run, the momentum now. Hold on. Might give it a quick second, but I think I might pull the trigger. I'm pulling the trigger,
Order
guys.
filled.
I'm pulling the trigger here. I'm pulling the trigger up at 440.11. We broke the lower lower high trend lines here. What I'm looking for is another high day push. I want the S&P to essentially do what it just did back here. And oh yeah, so I said I took 2 trades today. I did. So I caught this move right here with a lesser amount, I guess you could say, and here it is. A little bit of wickage, so it just keeps wicking. The initial what I should have done is waited for this to completely close above, but it's okay. So for some reason, I don't know, I'm feeling like there could potentially be another spike above the 442 2.5. So the S&P can get up that high. The S&P can get up there. I'm not against it. I'm with it, right? I'm not gonna force my hand though. I'm not gonna force anything. If it doesn't want to, it doesn't want to. It's okay. Like I said, hey, it is what it is. But there we go. Hey, there we go. There's some red to green action. That's what we're looking for, S&P. Let's keep the movement up. Let's keep it up. Let's get that next leg up. There we go, S&P. There we go, S&P. Come on, buddy. Let me hit him with a good yeah, buddy. Let me hit him with a good yeah, buddy. Let's make some money today, guys. So on this Friday, what are we looking for? What are we looking for? We're looking for shorter gains, right? We don't have to punch as much in. We don't need as much. I mean, it's a Friday. Preserve your capital. Preserve what you've made today. In the last week, right? So that's where I'm at. There we go. So a little bit of lower high formation again. If this thing can start ripping, running, a little bit above the 11, the 12 mark, we're good. Let's see it punch right above the 12 mark here. Looks to be some resistance at 12. As you see, there's a lot of top resistance at 12. If you break 12, the next one looks to be 16, 17 area. So, yeah, buddy. Come on. There we go. Starting to punch it in. Starting to see the highs come in. Let's see that next leg up, S&P. Yeah. Ah. So, that's what I'm looking for right now. I'm looking for it to break 12. Let's see. Another touch of it. Broke it. There we go. Right at it, actually, excuse me, right at it. Right there it is, 12, let's see 13. There we go. 13, 14. Let's see 15. Let's see it really start to kick in now. There we go, baby. There we go, baby. So, S&P right now. S&P looking for the 17 to hit and then 25. Looking for 17 and 25. 14, let's see 15. It's so close. There we go. Immediate gap up it had. Had a tiny gap up. So looking for a red to green candle on this one. Red to green candle on this one, baby. Just waiting here. Just waiting. Just waiting for that red to green to punch in, if it can. There we go. Red to green. Now you need to break 17. You need to break and hold above 17 if it can hold it. If it can hold these highs, then once these highs, it needs to break 17 here. Let's see. Let's see it break 17. Come on, baby. Come on, S&P. Let's get some red to green action. So, guys, that's the play right now. That's what I'm in. I'm just chilling out. So yeah, I did pull the trigger, by the way. Sorry, yeah. So I did pull the trigger. I got a Top Trader account. So that's the, yep. So and I don't mind it. I mean, it's rather easy as well. And another good thing, I might trade that actually, just because it's not options, and I mean, it's kind of worth it in a way. So yeah, I mean, there's nothing really wrong with it. So what I don't want to see is this to be top resistance and this not to come up. So I want this candle to come up just like it is right there, but if it can really flush up to the top here, maybe 14, 15 area, and start to really punch it in. So that's what I'm looking for. I'm kind of forcing trades in a way, so this will probably be my last trade for a minute. Just waiting and watching, right? Because I don't like forcing trades. But there's a lot of lower shadows here. There's a lot of lower shadows. That's my only thing. It's you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 technically. These ones double bottomed in a way. So, but then you can consider 1, 2, 3, 4, a double top right there. 5 upper shadow. So a little bit of consolidation. Starting to come back down here. We'll get out at the break there, and breaks 50. I'm out, guys. If we breaks 50, I am out. If it breaks 50, I think I should give a room to the view up, but I don't think I will. We'll see. If it can hold above a little bit, you're good. But maybe flip the script. Maybe get some puts here. I'm looking for the breakout in one way or another. I really don't care which direction it goes. I just want the breakout in one way or another, right? So thinking about, that's so dumb though. I hate reversing a play. You know what I mean? Being like, oh, it's not going up, so boom. You know what I mean? Like, that's such dumb trading in a way, I feel like. But I'm not against it. That's the only thing. Right? I've seen it happen time and time again where you do reverse a play and then you win, I mean, big on the other side, because you're not thinking one-sided, right? You're not like, okay, market's going up no matter what. No matter what, the market's going up. So, very tempted here. Okay,
Order filled.
What just happened? Okay. For some reason, whoa, wait, what just happened? Okay, so for some reason I only sold one S&P put contract when I meant to get filled on all of them. Let me see if my orders are still, and do I have any pending orders? No, I do not. I don't like that it's gapping down like this on me. I'm trying to get out, getting out.
Order filled.
There we go. So got out of that. Now, I thought I reversed the play, but apparently I did not reverse it. If I reversed it, I probably wouldn't have made back a decent amount. Okay, hold on. My hands are going to be off for a second. My hands are off. I'm waiting because I feel like I'm forcing trades right now. I feel like I'm literally just punching everything in. I'm forcing all my trades, but I'm not going to do that. I don't want to do that. I don't want to be the guy to force a shit ton of trades, right? So hands are off the table. Just waiting here. What was I looking for in the first place here? Okay, so we had this initial gap up, right? This is what I call it, the gap up. And this could be a potential dip buy here, right? This is kind of a killer dip buy. I just think we have so many lower shadows here that it's bound to at least go back up in this area. So maybe I'll give it a little bit, maybe look for a dip buy. But, so coming up into here, you had AMD spiking, making new highs or whatnot. There's a couple other plays. Obviously, you had Amazon with this spiking, making new highs. I'm so tempted on a dip buy right here, man. I feel like I'm just punching random plays in that I should not be punching in, right? Anyone else ever do that where they're just like, they feel like they're over trading in a way? Give me 1 second. So, potential dip buy, I feel like right there. I didn't punch anything in. Tempted to punch it in. Not punching it in though. Gonna wait on it. Gonna really wait on it here. Give me 1 second. Give me 1 second. Gonna reload one of my positions real quick. Looking at a longer term play on my phone right now. I've been in for a little while now. Some S&P contracts and whatnot. So, nothing for me yet. Nothing for me. Kind of just sitting on my hands. Kind of just chilling out. So, what happened? So, okay. So, I did click. Okay, I thought I reversed the position at this break. Which, I mean, that would have been a decent gain or whatnot, right? Cool or whatever. But I did. It just, Interactive Brokers did not fill me on it. It filled me on one contract. And I was like, what? Right? Like, oh, what? So, okay. So, what was my initial, oh, right there was a dip buy, okay. So, what was my initial game plan going into this? Okay, so we're making these higher lows here, right? Making higher lows. Well, what did we just do here? We're coming up, we're making higher lows, higher lows, higher lows. Have the breakout here. That's cool and all. Hey, sick. Good job, man. Nice. Okay, let's see if we can do it again, right? Let's see if we can do the exact same thing we just did again. Okay, we can't? Cool. Now we're going down, right? Okay, now reverse your position here. And, I mean, you would have called a decent gain. Didn't fill me on that. Went to get, was thinking about punching in the dip buy. Didn't punch in the dip buy. That is a literal perfect dip buy, though. Like, why didn't I punch it in? Beats me, right? So, very twisted on my decision there. But that would have been an amazing dip buy opportunity right at the 200. And that's why I have these points here. Look at that. So what did I see? I keep seeing all of these lower shadows in this zone. That's why I put this little zone here. I see another lower shadow and another lower shadow. And now we're starting to spike, rip, and run. And look at that. So I've made a decent amount of trades today. So I also traded on my take profit account, my take profit trader. So give me 1 second here. There we go. Let's hope that, yeah. Open that up over here. Give me 1 second. So, are you guys watching any plays that I'm not looking at? Let me know. Let me know. So I'm just chilling out. So yeah, my main thing is here was my dip buy opportunity. Didn't take it into account. I should have punched that one in. Right? It's because I just had this one. This happened, so I was like, maybe I should just like I'm trading too much. I'm trading too much. I need to take it easy. I need to take a step back. You know what I mean? Give it a second. Gotta take it easy. Take a second. Did I already take trades? Yes, but for some reason that's all I was trying to figure out. I'm trying to get this up and running again. I don't know why. I downloaded the Trade-O-Vate platform, but I was only trading it yesterday. So yesterday was my first day, and I made a solid 50 bucks on it on the account. So trying to get that up and running again, but it's taking me a quick second to actually do that. So give me a second. One second. Give me 1 second. So yeah. So what's my main thing? Sorry, I was looking doing something on my phone trying to figure this out email wise. But I think I might have just forgot the password. I didn't forget the password. But so what did I take yesterday trade wise on it? I was more or less scalping, and I'm not a scalper. So I wasn't like, I mean, being up 50 bucks on the account, whatever. It's a $50,000 account. I'm trying to make 3,000 on it, right? So being up $50 is being up 50 bucks, right? Like nothing too crazy. So my main thing with it is, you know, and what sucks also is that let's check out PWM, man. Look at this, dude. I hate that we have not had penny stocks going crazy recently, right? Doesn't that suck? Doesn't that suck when penny stocks are just kind of chilling? There's not many like, oh, nothing going too crazy, right? Like, okay, this one ripped. I mean, from 8 o'clock, you could have caught some stuff on this play, which actually, I mean, I'm kind of sad I didn't catch anything because I love trading pre-market penny stocks or whatnot. But it just sucks when you don't have any penny stock rippers and runners, so then you're looking during the market hours for options plays. And I don't mind options, don't get me wrong, love them. But I would rather prefer trading options with, trading futures, low key, because think about it. If I get, so another thing I was thinking about, so if I get funded for a $50,000 account or whatnot, right? And Darth Trader, you can back me up on this if you're still in here or whatnot. If you get funded for the $50,000 account and so when you go to take your profit, is there like a limit? Because all you have to do is make $3,000 for $50,000, right? So like, is there a limit you have to make before you can cash out once you get that account? Because I feel like $3,000 just isn't an insane amount, right? Right? I feel it as if I'm not wrong for that. I feel as if that's like very reasonable. Alright, let's see something here. Let me type in a couple things real quick. I gotta get this account up and active. I don't want to trade options today, and I just feel like I want to preserve everything. Hey, what's up, Cherry? Happy Friday? Yeah, happy Friday, yo. Hope you guys are all profitable already today. If you guys are trading, it's already a pretty kick-ass day, so you gotta love it. You gotta love it. All right, so what am I waiting on? What am I looking for? So my main thing right now, I'm trying to get this. So if you guys are just tuning in, welcome. Yeah, buddy here. Trying to get this futures account. I traded it yesterday. If you guys were here or whatnot, but trying to get it up and active again. I guess you could say. Trying to open my account essentially. Not like open it, like trying to log in. That's the issue right now. I'm trying to log in. Okay, so we're gonna do this here. We're gonna do this. So we're gonna do this, and username, password. Give me 1 second. Okay. So if you guys haven't at all ever traded a prop firm account, what this situation really is you're just trying to get not trying to get funded. If you're a decent trader and you guys can make decent trades, I don't know if there's a time limit on this one, on this particular account. I'm trading with Top Trader, Take Profit Trader, not Top Trader, excuse me. What is it? And I'm looking more or less to come out and finish this account off. Maybe hey, if I make 3,000 today, I'll make 3,000 today. Will I come out? How hard was it to get all set up? I still need to go and sign in. Give me 1 second. How hard was it to all get set up? Honestly, it was rather easy, man. I'm not gonna lie. It was pretty easy. Nothing really, it really wasn't that hard. I mean, I didn't find anything that hard anyways for it. Let me refresh this here. Give me 1 second. Yeah, honestly, so I went to Take Profit Trader. I essentially just bought the account. It's like $100 or whatnot, and you get a discount code with it if you give them your email or something, like 40% off. So give me 1 second. One second. So so essentially it's not really that hard. Sorry guys, sorry if it's a little slower today. So I just I essentially made the account or whatnot. I downloaded what's it called? Trade of 8, which is the big thing here. And then I kind of just started trading it, and it kind of worked. Scalp your way to the profit target, and then get after it. Yeah, I mean, hey, if you guys are scalpers, you guys think you guys can easily do that? I mean, I'm not against it, right? I mean, I feel as if, like, as long as I just trade what I would normally do in the S&P, just in ES, though, you see how I have ES pulled up? Like, I feel like they kind of ride the same wave. They're kind of the same thing, you know what I mean? So I wouldn't really see any difference, really, you know what I mean? So what could I do here to make this easier on my end? Okay. Let me go to settings. Let me go to... Okay, hold on. Let me go here, and let me exit out of this. Okay, exit out of that. Coming in here. Gonna open Trade of 8 back up. Bring it over here. There we go. Okay, so let me relog in real quick for you guys. Give me 1 second. Let me relog in and show you guys what this platform looks like. So... I'm thinking, and I also have another game plan in my head that I don't know if any of you guys have ever thought about. What if, hear me out, you know how we have FOMC meetings coming up? What if instead of doing all that Fugazi stuff, all you have to do, there we go, okay. So, okay, never mind. So, apparently I didn't make $54. Apparently I'm at 50,000 fine. Okay. I thought I would have made my normal. When you're ready for the bull riding, then hit NQ. The bull riding, ES and SPY are the same. That's what I mean. So my thing is, ES and SPY are the same. And so essentially, you know how on FOMC meeting days and all these days, the market jumps up crazy or goes down crazy? And I feel like if you just were to straddle it, think about it. You get two separate accounts, right? You make one long, you make one short, right? And let's say the market rips. Obviously, your short account's going to get canceled, but your long account is going to just, boom, immediately you're going to pass, right? So what would that be, $200? And then let's say, as long as on this platform, you can, you can trade as much as you want or whatnot, and you can take your profits. Let's say you make $200 in profits right afterwards, you're good to go. Sorry, this is my Invisalign. I don't want to stick this in on camera. Just give me 1 second. Alright. So yeah, as long as you you know what I mean? You're not kind of, you can straddle it. Like, I don't really see how that would be a bad idea, and I might do that come next, FOMC meeting day or whatnot. So right now, I have it pulled up. Let me pull it up for you guys. I don't know if it really matters if you guys see my account number or anything. I mean, I don't think that really matters or anything. So, 50,000, here it is. This is what it looks like. Trade of 8, everything like that. ESU3, same thing as ES essentially. So 442. So, and this is real-time data, I think. Okay, let me hold up. Whoa. I think it is. Looks to be real-time data. Yeah. For some reason the chart, yeah, 442.25, 442.50. Yup, there it is. Okay. So what's my game plan for the rest of the day? To preserve capital and or whatnot, I'm going to be trading this. Did you just start that? No, this is one from yesterday. This is one from yesterday. I thought it was up $50, but the thing about it, it's the same. It's on the same account as yesterday. Anyways, I should say or whatever. But so I have $0. I'm not in the red. I'm not in the green. I'm break even right now. I'm just gonna trade it normally, how I would normally trade options or whatnot. But I'm just gonna be trading that now. I really wish you could trade like penny stocks with futures. How sick would that be? Trading penny stocks with futures. You know how fast you could pass an account? I mean, okay, you could kill an account pretty fast too, but you know. Sipping on the good old Ghost. What is that? Orange creamsicle today. Yep. So there we go. So what I don't like is how none of these penny stocks are really doing too much. They're kind of chilling out. On the other hand, though, S&P does have some movement today. Actually, yesterday it had movement, but I didn't like the movement any way, shape, or form. Right? It was a very, very wicky. It was kind of up down type situation. And look at this right here. So we came up here making these higher lows. Was semi-tempted to break out, and then started to come down. Is that good? I see those ghost drinks all over. Oh, dude, this thing's banging. This Ghost Orange Creamsicle, I'm not gonna lie. So like, I don't mind the Sour Patch Kids or whatever, but I don't know, something about this Orange Creamsicle, man. You ever have like the like any of you guys ever have like the ice cream in a way, the Orange Creamsicle ice cream, the exact same taste, just with like a So quick and easy day. Thinking about being a stock sniper. Is Deck already done for the day? 8:29. Is this man already done? That is wild. This guy should start waking up at 9 a.m. guys, hopping on the mic at 9:15, getting out of here by 10, being done. Go play golf, right? Go walk the dog. Hang out with the fiance. Yeah, buddy. This guy is stock sniper. This guy, that's crazy. So, yep, good stuff, Deck. And hey, to any of you guys that are trading with him, any of you guys that are trading with any of us, man, I hope you guys are all profitable, killing it today, man. It's Friday, baby. It's Fun Friday. It's Money Friday. I got this new playlist I want you guys to hear.
Where's my monkey?
Okay, that was like, all right, hold on. All right, it's an EDM playlist.
Forex.
All right, that's an ad. Okay. Of course, all this is gonna come up the second I go to play it, right? It's a little, it's a 2016 electro. It's one of those electro house playlists. Yeah! Yeah, buddy! So, like I was saying, I hope you guys are all profitable, killing it today, baby. We're just getting started. I'm here till 12. We're gonna make some money today, yo. Get your that Chipotle, Starbucks, Wendy's, money. Anything y'all want, we're getting it all, guys. So, get hyped. Get energetic. Go get a Ghost. Yeah. So, just gonna turn this down a little bit. Actually gonna pause it. It kind of started off in like the worst area last time, but we're chilling out right now. So, with the market the way it is right now, it's not in a bad spot at all. It's in a pretty killer spot, right? I mean, I don't care which direction we go. We're starting to come down here. I'm looking at it. I'm looking it away, right? I got, a bit choppy here on AMD. Nothing too wrong with it, but, I don't want to be here too long trading due to the fact that it is Friday. And, oh, here we go, S&P. So, of course, so right there's that auto trend line that is kind of holding up, and I kind of will respect that auto trend line as long as it holds up. So, it's coming down here below it. Potential entry there, guys. Potential entry if you guys were looking at it right there. Puts. Dart Trader said it earlier. Puts are not. I'm not against puts right now. Right? I'm not punching anything in right now. Still flat. No positions for myself yet. No positions. If I do get anything, I guess it doesn't really matter if you guys see that. Oh. I don't know what just happened. Okay. Anyways. Yeah, I guess we can just pull this up in a way. I'm just gonna buy and should I just buy and sell market, or should I join and ask the bid? I feel like I should use the bid and ask, right? Like I mean, if you were, you know, trading options or whatnot, right? So I might just do that because I can join the bid, join the ask type situation. I might just do that instead of market ordering, so I don't have slippage or whatnot, if that applies on futures. But that's what we're waiting on right now. Missed that move, damn. Yeah, I didn't take it myself because also look, so it actually held this trend line, so I kind of respect this even a little bit more. Came down below, spiked immediately up off it, and look at this. So I don't know. I think my next play is gonna be right around this area here, if it wants to come in, and or if we make higher low formation, I'm still not against these highs here. So we almost double topped in this area, right? It kind of just, you know, rolled over. It was a rollover in a way, just a giant red candle. But I'm just chilling out, so I'm not gonna force anything today. I'm really just, you know, chilling on my end. Just chilling out on my end. Yeah, because I'm not trying to really force anything too much. But I mean, yeah, that's really it. That's really it. Sorry guys, I was just watching that. So you could have hit a dip buy, I guess. You could have definitely hit a dip buy or something here. I set a dip buy earlier over here. I did not punch it in. That would have been my, you know, next play. If I was on ES, I probably would have punched that in if I was trading futures, because you look at that view up and the 200 touching here. I mean, come on, look at that. Just wick right off it. That's perfect. That is literally perfect. And then NQ. So Dart Trader was saying something about NQ. I'm gonna take this. This stock's a dead stock right now, so we're just gonna go NQ. Let's take a look at this. Wow, look at that. So NQ, you know, doing its thing, I guess. Really starting to, yeah, that's wild. So each tick is $5. I think Dart Trader said. So with each tick being $5, hey man, that'll pay. That will 135% pay. So there we go. So now there's that dip buy. Look at that dip buy, really starting to punch in all the way up to the 200. Let's see, 200 view up. You got some resistance up in this area, so potential rejection off these points. I'm not against it. I'm not against the rejection off any of these points here. So look at that there. Hey man, sorry, just loaded myself back up. So there we go, a little bit of a top wick. Would I take puts here on ES? I mean, yes. Since I can essentially scalp this, I'm not against it. So
order filled.
there we go. Took one put contract. Wait, one short here. My stop's gonna be the 50. Wait, no, I'll do 20 cents above the 50. 20 cents above the 50. There we go. Stop is 20 cents above the 50. Hey, and look at that already. Look at that. So this is why I'm glad I can do it on this. I can scalp this. I'm gonna try and scalp this. So what's the 50 at? 58, 68, 70. Okay. I'm not against it. Hey, it wants to go up. Let it go up. Let it ride. Once again, I'm still in those calls from forever ago. Now at the 440 area, they're getting a little bit tighter. So I think I'll be break even around 441, 442. So that's kind of where I'm at here. So nice resistance spots here. If this can punch it in, punch the gun in. Now this is completely different than options trading. I will admit that. So when it comes, when it comes to scalping and whatnot, I might be taking more trades more frequently or whatnot. I'm gonna try not to, but I didn't check to see if I have a time limit, a day limit or whatnot. So letting it ride out, bounce right off the 50. Let's see if we can start to come down here. Let's see. Let's just see real quick. Let's see if we can get an area around the 50 area. There we go. 439.50. Could I? No, higher lows. Hold on. We'll have to start to dump here. There we go. A little bit of a dump. Looking for a bigger one than that. So filled at the price of 44225. 44225. Looking for a dump here. So close here. Looking for a dump. Has to hold below the 200. There we go. A little bit of a dump coming in. A little bit of dump on the S&P. Come on, S&P. There we go. Okay. Hold on. We're starting to pick up some heat. There we go, guys. All right, here we go. Hey, there we go. Okay, we're getting right back down into it. So if you guys are wondering how many short positions I went, I took one. I'm feeling it out. I'm trying to get in there. You know, I'm not gonna go crazy. Not looking to make 3,000 in one play. in one sleight of hand play or whatnot. But looking to get in and out of these plays. So looking for a little bit more of a drop down here. A green to red candle would be great. So green, if that thing comes down here, goes essentially down to break even or whatnot, and then red, that's essentially what you're looking for. The more green, the more red. That's what I like. That's what I like. There we go. Come on, S&P. Let's see that red action come in. There we go. Yeah, buddy. Yeah, buddy. Let's see it. There we go, guys. So really starting to punch it in. So what do I want? I want 439.30 to break. If it can, come down, maybe 439.15, 20 area. Now I'm not going to force anything. See that? See, now we're starting to punch it again. So you just got to be cautious. Got to be cautious. The dip buy is not a bad, the reversal play, not a bad reversal play. This thing can, hold below the 50. So if it can't, like I said, 20 cents above the 50, I'm out. So what is that, 5.7? 5.7. Let it hold. 5.7, 6.7, 8, 6.7, 7.7 would be the outage. I don't know what that would be exactly on ES, but we're gonna let it rock. I'll show you something when you are not in a trade. All right, sounds good, man. So just waiting right now. I want this to come down, start to break this higher low formation. That's what I'm looking for. It doesn't need to be in this candle. It just has to be in the coming candles. So just waiting on it. Just waiting and watching. Like I said, I hope you guys are all having a profitable day, though. I hope you guys are all killing it. I'm not really too tempted. So I like the green to red, though. That is something I do like. I like that it's topping out right near the 50. That is showing that a little bit of resistance. And, hey, man, as I talk, it's doing something else. So we're going to load S&P up over here. Give me 1 second. So what did I see earlier that kind of makes me think this could happen, too? A little bit of a rollover. I don't like the higher lows. That's what I don't like, right? If this thing can start to come down and reverse on us, right? Maybe do something like this here. You see how the rollover happened? I'm not against that. This thing would have to go from green to red, come down, maybe hit the 200, etc., etc. So what is this at? 5.7, 6.7, 7.7 is the outage if it can't. Yeah, there we go. So do we all see what I'm kind of seeing, though? We're all seeing some resistance. We are all seeing some top resistance around these areas. A bunch of upper shadows, right? Upper shadow, upper shadow, upper shadow, upper shadow. Right here. If this thing can come down here, maybe end near the VWAP area and really start to punch it in to the downside, get the next leg down or whatnot, then, that'd be good. I feel a lot more safe with it. But if it can't, I'm not against it either. It's okay. So just waiting and watching here. There we go. I like that. I like that move right there. There we go. S&P starting to flip the script. Higher lows, they keep hitting. They keep forming here. How are the fills in Tradeovate futures trading should be instant fills? It actually was, yeah. I will say that was pretty good. That was pretty good. The second I clicked, I did hit ask, join the ask. So if there's a little bit, if it doesn't fill me immediately, I could see why. Because I joined the ask and I'm looking to sell the bid. So that would make sense. But we have a bunch of upper shadows up here, so I could see this still coming down. That's why I'm still in it. I don't like higher lows, though. So if this thing can come down here, maybe fill out to 50, 439.50 area, I'd be fine with it. So this is what was happening over here, and then we got a big red ripper to the downside. So essentially, it's almost the same setup in a way. Look at this. So you have this higher low, higher low, higher low, higher low, and then just couldn't hold the gains and started to turn and dump. Right? 439.6. I really hope it doesn't hit here. Come on, baby. Come on, baby. Another upper shadow, another top shadow, more higher lows though. I need some sort of red here. I need some sort of red here. There we go. Break these higher low formations, S&P. Don't you dare hold that 50. Don't you dare hold the 50, baby. So I'll show you guys what I'm seeing and how I'm not being biased. I'm not being biased towards either side right now. I think it could definitely go up. I just think there's too many top shadows, right? So if this thing breaks at 50, comes down to the VWAP, that's a lot more room. That's a lot better. Has room, though. Has room to do it. There we go. There we go. A little bit of a turning point maybe here. Right there's a VWAP, breaking the VWAP. Let's see the 200 right there, down to the 200. Let's see it down to the 200 now. So a little bit of a turnaround here on the S&P if it can hold these lows. I want it to hold down here as well. If it can hold and then push to 200, we're good. Holding. Pushing the 200. Stay below the 200 now. Come on, S&P. Come on, S&P. So a little bit of a turning point here. There we go. There we go. That's what you want. You want to see this thing continue to come down past the 200. Start to really rip and run to the downside. A little bit of green's fine. I'll take an upper shadow if it hits. Let's see it. Let's see it. Let's see it. Let's see if we can get a little bit of an upper shadow. Start to come down here. So, what am I looking for? I'm looking for this thing to go green to red here on me. Green to red and maybe dump down just a little bit down to like 39, 40 area. So that's what I'm looking for. I'm looking for a green to red move on this candle and or potential trap pattern on the next. I want it to stay in the area though. Give me 1 second. See, that's what I'm saying. Broke the 50. It's so hard in a way to predict. It still could come down though. That's the thing. Look at that. Look at where it's at here. Dex saying brand new shorting lesson in the video library. We make a yeah buddy lesson for you. Yeah buddy. Yeah guys, I will. I'm down for that or whatever. I'm 100% down. So like I said, I mean I got you guys with banana squeezes. I got you guys with everything I shorted on when it comes to penny stocks. Now banana squeeze, that's my big takeaway. I feel like a lot of you guys should know that. I feel like it's not a very talked about strategy. Even if it's called something else, maybe that'll be it. You have higher lows as well that I'm looking at. I always look at higher lows, lower high situations, the 50, 200 VWAP areas. You know, you always have trend lines that you can always put into play. There's probably a lot of lessons on trend lines as well. But immediately what I'm still seeing here is that we are, look at this. Until we break, if we break this point here, 4-4, that is when I think the higher lows will end a little bit. And if you want to significantly break it, we would have to come down near the 30 area, right? So I'm still looking at this right now, and I'm still seeing that, hey guys, this is making the higher lows. My stop right now, why is it not 6-7? Why is it 7-7? Well, hold on, we're coming up to it. Why is my stop 7-7? I give the VWAP. I always give the VWAP, the 50, the 200. I always give them 20 cents because we've seen time and time again where situations like this will happen. We'll come up, break it. You're like, oh, I'm out. Oh man, it's not working out. So and then you'll cut it, and then it'll dump on you, and then you're like, well, what the heck, right? So coming up here, 7-5. Hold up. Hold up. 7-5. See, let's see if this is gonna be one of those times. I don't like the the higher lows. Excuse me. For being on the short side, I don't like higher lows in this situation. Took the reversal play. Was looking for it. A lot of upper shadows here. Looked like it could come down. Was coming down. Let's see if it can do it again. So if it can start to come down here, I'd be at one happy camper. Let's see. Let's see. So we need to really start to dump here. A little bit of a wick. 7-3. 7-2. Little bit of a wick. Nothing crazy though. Not crazy enough for me. 7-6. Touch the 7-7. Touch 7-7. Let's see it. Top resistance. A little bit of resistance there. Hold on. Hold on. Alright, if we can start to come down here, that'd be sick. Right off 7-7. Let's see. 7-3. Come on, baby. Come on, baby. 7-3. 7-1. Hold on. Let's see. There we go. Guys, I'm not saying anything yet. I'm not going to say anything yet, but I'm going to point something out then that I just saw. That way it kind of is crazy. Sorry about it. It was a little bit of a quieter trade in a way. Just waiting this one out. So hold on. Let's do something like this real quick. Let's do something like that. Let's see if we can break the 50 here. Coming down to the 50. Let's see if we can break the 50. Start to punch it in. Come on, S&P. Break that 50. You know you want to. You know you want to break the 50. So, what was I looking for? Well, you know, I'm going to wait for this 50 to break. Hold on. Hold on. This can't break. I want to get out of this trade before I start talking about the trade at hand here. So, once again, I will say this, though. There are higher lows. If you break the higher low formation, which is why I have this set here. There we go. There we go. A little bit of push below the 50. I like it. So if you start to break this higher low formation here, you're going to start to turn and maybe hit a new, go down to the lower day or whatnot. So that's what I'm waiting on. That's what I'm looking for to see if we can really start to do that. See if we can start to punch the gun in on that. So nothing too crazy yet. Nothing too fugazi happening. Just chilling out here. Just getting enough energy in me with this energy drink to fight a bear. Fight 3 bears, honestly. Take on the entire market, bear and bull, all of them at the same time, single-handedly, blindfolded, while riding a dirt bike. Yeah. So just waiting here, just waiting and watching, see if we can go from some green to red action down to the view up. Little something, little something. Nothing crazy though. Like I said, today is just one of those days where you gotta be a little bit more patient. So back up to 7-2. Hold up. Pull trade of 8 back up. You still in your trade? Yup. Yeah, as of right now I am. So it came up to exactly, look at that. Look at the high there. You see that what it says? 7-7. My outage is right above 7-7. So if that thing flashed 7-8, I'd be out, right? Now the view up, the 50 is up to 59. So you could adjust it to 7-9, right? If you really want to. It came, look at that, a little bit below here. What I needed to do is come down and hold, right? It didn't hold below the 200. Look at that. So all of these, and it sounds like a lot of bull. It's like, okay, yeah, buddy. Yeah, it came down to 200, didn't hold below 200. Sure, that's why it reversed. Sure. You're right. You're right. That's not just why it reversed, right? To be honest, what happens every single time is buyers step up, they take to the plate, right? Sellers start to kill their positions or whatnot, right? That's why I have the time and sales up, but I have it up for PWM here. Pull it up for the S&P. Equal over 500, right? So when sellers come in, they take over, then obviously the price will drop. The price will drop when sellers come in. When buyers step up or whatever, right? When buyers step up, and there we go. Hold on. We're getting a little crazy up in here. Hold on, S&P. Do it to me. Hit me with it. Hit me with a drop down to like 439.10. I know you want to. You want one of them crazy candles, don't you? You're sick and tired of this market, right? You just want to drop, don't you? You want to come all the way down to the ground. All right, so show me. There we go. So there we go. Okay. Coming down to the view up now. Breaking the 50. Let's hold below the 50. That's my main thing. I just want to hold below it if we want to stay in this play. So flashing it, holding below. There we go. Okay. It needs to hold below and end. And I want the next candle to come in and just dump on us. So if it can hold below that point, then we're good. So that's what I'm looking at right now. But a little bit of a lower shadow there. I'm not gonna lie, a little bit of a lower shadow there. It depends on what this candle does. If we get a green to red move, I'm not against it. Broke over that purple resistance line. Ran up a little, then pulled back down to retest support. Second circle, that would be your entry, and boom, lift off again. 30-point move on NQ off that break and retest. That would have paid so well. That would have been 1,800 trade on 3 contracts, and NQ if you caught that entire 300-point move. Oh dang! So he's saying on NQ. Okay, I see what you're saying here, Darth Trader. I see what you're saying. So, yup, right near there. There you go, yup, because that was resistance. Past chart, past chart history says that's resistance right there. Coming up, broke that, boom, you would have caught that. You could sell anywhere in that area, and then once it comes back as now, old resistance equals new support, bada bing, bada boom. Yeah, that would have been a sick play. Did you take that at all, Darth Trader? Because that would have printed. That would have definitely printed. I will say that. I will say. I also really hope. Here we go. So we're hitting 7.2. Hold on. Pull up the trade of 8 again. We're back up. 7.5. What are we at here? 60. So 80 will be my new stop. Just hit a new high. 80's a new outage. It's 20 cents above the 50 no matter what. If that's 60, then it's 80. Okay? 80. Guys, you got to get out. Got to get out of this one. Didn't film me. Hold up.
Order filled.
Got out of that one. So, what was my outage and why was that my outage? Okay, so let's go back. So what happened here in the first place? So here it is. So, okay, so we come up to the 50 or whatever. We're looking for 20 cents above the 50, right? I'm looking for a reversal play right here. We have all of these upper shadows hitting, right? Same situation as we had, but here's the thing. Guys, look at this chart. Look at this right here. What does this look like? Look at all of the, for one, it looks like chop. I will say that. Okay. All right, let's be honest. Yeah, they're like, yeah, buddy, I don't care what you say. That looks like that looks like a barcode, buddy. Right? Like, I don't know what you're looking at. All right. So, but I'm looking at lower shadow, you know, double bottom or whatnot, lower shadow. Look at all of these lower shadows. Now, you can also say upper shadow, right? But in my head, I'm thinking, honestly, man, you know, we're on a ripping and running rage. It looks like Bulls want to take this one away, like they apparently do again, right? So we're getting up to these highs. Let's see what can happen. Let's play a little bit. All right, let's play the game a little bit. So took that. Didn't really work out though. Came on down here, so not against it. So it's okay. It's okay. It was a play. It was a good try. Right there. Look at that big upper shadow though. So like, in my head, I see these. I think reversal, right? And a lot of the times it does mean reversal. A lot of the times it does mean, okay, we could possibly reverse, start to spike to the downside here, right? Like, look, we literally had a little bit of a gap down there. Let's see what we opened at. Opened at 77. What did this close at? This closed at 8. Opened at 7. Now we're starting to gap down. So you guys see what I'm saying though? So off of these upper shadows, off these lower shadows, that's one play that can really hit. Like, look at that, man, right off this trend line. So, you know, think about that. Just keep that into consideration here, right? That's a big one. It was actually in previous to that, just before it consolidated, rode up to that break, and when it pulled back, I was out of my last contract. I didn't notice that break and retest until I was already out. Oh, okay. So you did get in on some lower shadow hits, lower shadow coming up in, and okay. Hell yeah, Dark Trader. So what, you print on that one? Was that today? Percent wise, what did you what was percent on that? Or I guess it's future, so you can't really see percent wise. I guess you could say what ticker amount. What is that? 0.25. How many ticks did it go up? Is that what futures is? Yeah. How many ticks did it go up? Like I said, guys, I used to trade futures or whatever, but I traded futures the same way. I'm kind of trading it now, just by S&P or whatnot. You know, using all that. I don't do the whole zoning thing and the using this, that, and this and that to really punch it in. And I look at the S&P. I go, okay, here's what I see. Here's what I see, right? I see top wick. I see it coming down here. I see we have support. Breaks through all of them. Start to really come down here, right? I don't see, the retracement taming here, and my zoning areas here and all that. No, I'm like, yeah, look at the picture. I see the picture looks pretty good. It's a pretty good picture. Actually, this looks like a really choppy picture. This looks like a really shitty picture, but it's also Friday, so I can't complain too much. Okay, all right, it's a Friday. All right, but yeah, if you guys have anything you want me to take a look at, feel free to type them in chat, and I'll take a look at them 100%. Nothing wrong with it, but yeah. So, all right, if you guys are looking at me right now, like, okay, yeah, buddy. Like, once again, I just don't get what you saw or whatever in that trade. Okay, all right, let me explain it to you, Jimbo, Jimmy Long or whatever. I don't care. All right, what do we have here? We had it start to come up. We had higher lows, right? Okay, we started to turn a little bit. We're starting to form a little bit more higher lows, and then we dump, sell off. Okay, what am I looking for here coming up into this? We're kind of making these higher lows rather heavy. We do sell off a little bit, right? Cool and everything. Yep, they got that. Was up a little bit. Now we're making these higher lows again. So, my hands are off. I'm waiting for a move to happen. I don't like consolidation. I bet if I go to the 15-minute, it'll look atrocious. Yeah, that's kind of ugly. Yesterday was kind of an easier day, I guess you could say. I mean, it just kind of did its thing. It just went down and then just rode the rest of the day. So if you just, bought puts, right, came down, around the 437 area, you get calls, right? I don't know if, let's check out the 30-minute here. I always used to trade the 30-minute on the S&P just because it usually has some good keen resistance and support levels. And I still use the 30-minute actually a lot. So let's see. So as you see, that's there right there's at 50. Okay, so 50 now is being disrespected. So no point in that. 200 not being disrespected. Touch of the 200 comes down. Hey guys, so that's just what I see. Nothing too crazy here. So I have S&P pulled up. Are there any penny stocks that you guys know of ripping and running right now? Any penny stocks I should be on the lookout for? Let's see. Yeah, our place is. GRR. I took a look at this one early. Hold on, guys. Hold on, guys. Give me a minute here. Oh, man. Oh, man. Am I really about to do this? Okay, here we go. Here we go. Give me a second. Give me a second here. GRR. What's the float on the stock? Gotta check the float out. I'm not gonna be the guy. I'm not gonna be the guy to get screwed here by a, well, it's moving. If it's, I mean, this thing has a high float. It's gonna be wild. Look at that. So, new high day on GRR. GRRR. There we go. 517. 517, new high day. New high day there, guys. Any of you penny stock traders right now are printing. So 22 million share float. Let's see. Let's check out the 4 hour. Let's see. When's the last time it's been up to this high? What's it at? 505, 517 high. Okay. We do have room. We do have room. Looks to be up and until. I mean, you have a semi. That's not even a gap to fill in a way because you have this area here that kind of has always been chopping around. Just got to be careful. So, okay, let's go to the daily. Let's check that out. That'll be more sufficient. Look at that. Look at that. What happened on the stock back in, that's April, around 3:30. Let's check it out. U.S. equity higher in pre-market. I had GDP jobs claims, 12 informational stocks, and Mondays. Yeah, guys, I don't see anything right now. Hold on. I just want to see what made this thing drop. Why Chicken Soup for the Soul entertainment shares are trading lower by 30%. Chicken Soup for the Soul. Oh, maybe that's why, dude. Who makes chicken soup for the soul? So, if you guys are in here right now, you guys are wondering what I'm looking at. Oh man, look at that, dude. GRRR. 524 new high day. 524 new high day. Be very careful, guys. This is quite literally, I mean, what could be a banana squeeze in a way, right? Look at that. Look at that, dude. Quick, very short lesson. I preach it. I love it. It's my favorite trading setup ever. Obviously, right now, you'd be chasing if you get in, so be very cautious if you're getting in, right? Okay, you're chopping. Start to make higher. Boom. Look at that. All right. Very awkward banana in a way, but, you can make a banana. But you know what happens with banana squeezes? Oh, boom. And they usually give a lot and or everything back after their giant squeeze. And, guys, I can't preach it enough. GRR is going insane, bro. For any of you traders trading the stock right now, you guys are loving it. You guys are living. Oh, my gosh, man. What the absolute heck is going on with this stock right now, dude? What is going on? So, 573 top. Guys, if you guys are in on this trade, if you guys just traded this, anything now you guys punch in is chasing. I want you to know, if you guys are looking to take a trade on this, you guys have to be very momentum-style traders. You guys have to be in and out within seconds, bro. I'm saying if this thing goes from 540 all the way back up to 560, take half your profit. Breaks 573, goes up to 575, stalls out, get out. Get out of that trade. So here we go. 560 now, this is what I was just saying. Take some profit there. Take like half your profit. Let's see. Goes up to 575. Let's see if it stalls out there, guys. You guys are printing right now. And here goes the S&P too. So I'm not in any trades. Nothing yet. Hands are up. Hands are off the table. Just waiting, just watching. So my hands are off the table. I'm going to take the headphones off for a little while. So hands are off the table. Not looking to make a trade yet unless I have to, right? Not unless I have to. Unless something comes in that's clear cut. I like the S&P making these highs, pushing these highs or whatnot. But I'm also not looking for the S&P to make any erratic moves, I guess you could say. So here we go again. Let's see. Anyone in here trading GR? I'm just gonna say GR because I can't read GR. It just looks like I'm emphasizing the R. You know what I mean? Just sounds like I'm emphasizing the R. So GR here. Hey, what's up, Co7? Hope you're having a great day. Hope you're having a profitable day, man. Oh, baby. So, Co7 saying good morning. Any option play? So far, took one. Actually, so I took in three. Taken three. took calls. Actually, maybe I should just start going long, guys. Apparently, long's the way to go, right? So I took a long position here, right at 10 a.m. essentially. Caught that for the rip or whatnot, and caught that for the high. Look at this. Look at GR going up, man. Look at this rip. Anyways, caught that for the high hit, coming in here, coming down, and then I took some puts. I mean, didn't take puts. Excuse me. I took some calls here. Again, for this high day break with the higher lows forming, all these lower shadows, everything was indicating I'll take that trade 10 out of 10 times, but did not hit or whatever, got out in this area here. We should have taken it a little bit earlier. Dip buy opportunity, didn't take it, and then looked at this one here as well. So, couple trades, but look at these higher lows forming, guys. I'm thinking about longs here on S&P real quick for a scalp. Thinking about S&P scalps here as this market is getting tight, consolidating, and going to the top side here. So maybe take one.
Order filled.
I'm in here. In here, if it can break the high here, maybe I just got filled at the high and it's going to start dumping. But this is what I'm seeing, and I'll get out if this breaks here. If it starts to really break that, and of course it's like, yeah, buddy's in. All right, hey, man. There goes GR. I want to say GRRR, but I just can't pronounce it fast. It's like, it just doesn't like my, So let's see here. Let's see here on the S&P. Let's see if we can break that 440.14 and really hit. I was looking at the 440.17 area as some little bit of resistance. And then you have obviously the higher day at 440.25 there. So, what are you in on SPY? I was looking at these higher lows here. Now, this is a scalp. I'm talking like so if it starts to break this right here, I'm out. I'm done. I'm taking that. I'm going. Bye. Right? Starting to break it a little bit. Give me a second. Out.
Order filled.
Nope. Out. I'm not doing this. I'm out. Done. Right? So what was I looking for? Well, I mean, and guys, dip buy. Dip buy opportunity. Dip buy opportunity. I don't want this to die, though. That's my thing. I don't want this to die on me. So, I'm just going to be chilling out, I guess. And look at that. Look at that, guys. Hey, they don't like, yeah, buddy, apparently. S&P says today's not your day, man. Right? No, I'm kidding. So I'm essentially break even on the day all around, except obviously on the prop firm account. I'm down a whopping 200 buckaroos on the prop firm account. Now remember, this is a $50,000 account. My profit target is 5,300, and yep. So that's what I'm waiting on right now. So I'm just waiting. So what was I looking at? Higher low, higher low, higher lows. I'm looking for the breakout in a way, right? You see this? See higher low, higher low, higher low, breakout. Higher low, higher low, higher low, breakout, right? So this is usually a play you can do on penny stocks a lot more. They're a lot more effective, a lot more profitable in a way. And dude, I've had some killer days recently, man. I think this is my first break-even day in a minute. And this week has been a rough one, guys. This week has been a rough week trying to trade. Not just for me. I'm saying in general with the market. I'm saying this week has been very, very, oof, man. Right? I didn't get into Wednesday, and I'm glad I didn't trade or whatever because I took a look at Wednesday, and it was just, oh, man, it was a rough one. Yeah, I mean, it just, there was no volume or whatever. Thursday came around, and it was okay. And take a look at Meta. Co7 says, take a look at Meta. Let me take a good look at that for you. So, let me actually see this here on S&P too. If we break this here, maybe I'll get in for a quick scalp up to 47. Gonna get ES off the chart. Or maybe I'll take GRR off. Alright, let's see Meta, guys. Let's check a look at Meta. Not bad. Not bad. And that's why I sold that. Look at that. YB. Okay, you sold it. Why didn't you get puts? Well, I didn't think about it till now. To be honest, that wouldn't have been good. That wouldn't have been a bad spot for puts. Look at that. Complete and utter turnover. Not a bad spot if you would have got puts up in these highs too. Right? I'm looking for the breakout and above. You could be looking for the reversal. Essentially what I was looking for back here, but right here. And look at that. You would have printed. I'm sure ES you would have made a couple ticks. Meta, I don't see anything wrong with it. It's forming higher lows. It's continuing this higher low formation or whatnot, yada 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 type situation. I would just be cautious, as Meta is in a very it's in a very tight channel right now. Right, so it could go either way right now. What I would initially say is, let me take a look at the 30-minute. Right up near the 50, 200. 200 is actually holding well. I would take calls near this trend line. If this bottom trend line, if this Meta comes back down here, take calls or whatever. If it breaks this trend line, right, starts to break it, I would get out. And take an amount that you can hold until that 30-minute ends, right? So if you're taking calls down here, and let's say, you know, it dumps or whatever, comes down to like 287, 288 area, right? And, you know, you have like 5 minutes left in the candle, obviously take it. But if it comes down here, touches 289, you know, whatever this is, 11 area, 289 in general, and starts to rip, run, spike, hey, baby, you're printing. You're good to go. Potential trap pattern. Potential trap pattern here on SPY. So yeah, so I'm not against meta in any way. It's not terrible, but I just wouldn't be too fond of taking any positions right now on it, as it's, you know, I'm looking at the bigger picture on that, and it doesn't look bad. Let's see how AMD's doing. Take a look at AMD. AMD, Chop City. Tesla, Chop City. Amazon. I had a little bit of a breakout, but more or less Chop City. Microsoft? Chop. Nope. Guys, hey, man. Hey, here's what I'm saying. What time is it? 11:10? Guys, I think the market, and we all know, on Fridays, the longer we sit here, the longer we wait, the less opportunity we have. You know what I mean? So just like Deck did, look at Deck. Let's take a look. All right, we all know Deck. Yep. Oh, I love this guy. Yeah, great guy here. Awesome guy. Anyways, him makes $800 or whatnot. Guess what he did? He traded AMD at the start of the day. At the start, you know, want to know why? All these traders get in for the start of the day. They're coming in from pre-market, right? They're coming excited to take trades. Oh, damn, the wife's calling. I got to take a flight in 30 minutes. I got to make a trade, man. I want to make a trade. AMD. Okay, let's take a look. Oh, it's starting to make higher lows. All right, I'm in. All right, yep, we're printing. All right, yep. Woo! Yeah, buddy. All right, honey. I swear, I'm coming. Right, I'm on the way. I'm getting on the plane right now. No, don't break up with me. I'm sorry. You know what I mean? So it's like, you know, like what do you know? That's the situation. It's like everyone's trading in the beginning of the day. Everyone wants to trade, but you know, as the day goes on, people are like, you know, I think I'm good for this week. They take their profits and they're gone. SPY calls on VWAP, never a bad play. VWAP has been disrespected recently, as you can see. It kept coming through, but actually none of these candles really ended below it, except these ones, which obviously led to the giant dump and sell off. So just be cautious. Yeah, I'd say in the area. I would let it maybe go a little bit below VWAP, maybe below the 200, and then see what happens. I wouldn't take it the second it hits VWAP. I would give it a quick second. Let it do its thing for a little bit, and then, you know, and then go from there. But yeah, that's essentially where I'm at. I'm chilling out right now, though. I'm not taking any trades right this second. Like I said, still trading ES or whatnot. Still running it up. Nothing crazy, nothing fugazi on me, right? So, whatever you guys are feeling, let me know. Let me know what trades you guys are in, what you guys are feeling. SPY calls. So, my main thing with SPY and what I'm watching, also for the same thing, look at this. So, this is very tight consolidation here. Look at this. So, I'm going to leave this bottom trend line. I'm going to adjust this top one. Something like that, I guess. Right? You have a little bit of room. This bottom trend line is kind of accurate. Same with this one on the S&P. I like this bottom trend line on the S&P. Look, 1 touch, 2 touch. And you can almost make 3 right here, right? Look at that. You can do something like this. You can even go into this line right there, and that would almost make the touch. So, nothing crazy. Nothing too crazy. I'm loving it, though. So, any of you guys, what trades have you guys taken today? Let me know. Let me know what trades you guys have taken. What profit you guys have made. Maybe you lost a little bit of money. What did you guys lose a little bit of money on? It's okay, though. You know, hopefully you guys all made profit. Maybe we have no red traders in here. Let me do a poll, right? Let's do a poll. I did last one. Everyone in here, last time I did a poll was green. Let's see this time. So, me, essentially, right now, I'm break-even on my my Interactive Brokers account. On the prop firm, down 200 off them. But it's a $50,000 account. Trying to get 3,000. So, yeah, buddy, ask. Red or green today? Green. And then we're going to do red. We're going to do anonymous. All right, everyone. Hey, when I post this, I want all of you guys to go over there and vote. red or green today. Let's see. So, oh, I should have said, okay, I should have said break even too. If you're break even, I guess you can put green because you're not red, right? You're not red, right? So, we're going to check it out here. We're going to see what's up. Anonymous voting as well, so no, they don't know what you are, just in case you guys don't like to people to know what you guys are. You guys are red or green, so let's check it out. Let's check it out. So, what is going on here with the S&P? Well, we have all these higher lows forming. Look at that. And of course, when I enter, right, it starts to reverse, has that little top wick. I was looking for the spike, the rip, and the run all the way up to 442.5 after the 440.17. We have a little bit of resistance here. Look at that. A little bit of resistance in this area. Kind of like a tiny head and shoulders or whatever. And then came all the way back down. Right? And almost like here, right? Head and shoulders in a way and starting to come back down to the 50 now. Now, it's just consolidating away. I feel like volume, is dying off, right? 40,000 shares of volume or whatnot. Very tight candles, etc., etc. So, just chilling out. Nothing crazy. So, to start off, right there we go. There's a little AMD pop. So, that's what I was initially looking at there, guys. And I almost think S&P is going to start to reverse and go to the top side here. I think I should wait, though, until it hits 442.5 on ES to take anything. And or it has to, I mean, I would just want to see how it reacts when it gets up to these highs. I don't want to see it do this. This is something I don't want to see it do. And we've seen it time and time again. Are you ready? Are you ready? Hold on. Let's see what we've seen time and time again. Are you guys ready for this? We've seen a stock do this, especially the S&P. Especially the S&P. Are you ready? It comes in here, right? We're green. I'm slightly colorblind, guys. I'm so sorry about that. Okay, let's do that. Okay. Okay, right? All right, give me a second. Okay. So, gosh. We're green, right? We're green. We're making higher lows, right? We're spiking up. Hey, everyone's printing. Everyone's having a fun day. Fun, amazing time. Comes up. All right, you hit a high. Okay. All right, that's fine. It's okay. You start to come down here. You start to come down. Let's say, okay, you make it right there. Hey, you're starting to go up a little bit. Let's say you double top. Okay, that's fine. All right, we double top. Start to come down here. Now, what you don't want to see is this. This is what you don't want to see. You don't want to see it come in here, start to go green a little bit more. Let's say right here's our line, right? Something like this, right? Okay, like something, yeah, essentially just like that. You don't want to see it do this. Come up, break that high day by about 10 cents, and then do this here. That is the worst, because now you're looking at it like, okay, this is not a bad spot for entry, right? Okay, broke it. Hey, good stuff. We're breaking it here, right? Cool. Let me get in. Let's say you're up 0.10 cents, right? You're up 10 cents. All right, word. And then it drops. And now you're down 50, 60, 70 cents or whatever. And we've seen it time and time again, especially with the S&P. S&P, I mean, I can probably find one right now that's done that. Not yesterday. Yesterday was a bit whack. Oh, man, dude. Is that Wednesday? Yeah, man. Wednesday was a rough one, dude. Look at that. That would have been terrible. And Monday, so this week really has not been the best, I will say that. But that Friday leading up was just an absolute utter monster. That Friday leading up was just a monster, man. Look at that. So anyways, so what we see here, okay, let's cut out all this. Give me the snipping tool. Give me my snipping tool back. Hold on. It's hitting new. Alright, let's do it from right about here, sure. You guys see what I'm seeing? Cut that one out. Look at that. Came down a little bit below it. Like, I'm talking like 10, 20 cents, right? Type stuff. So that is known to happen on the S&P quite often. The S&P does that, like, time and time again type situation, right? So, what can you do, really? Well, what can you do? Okay, cool. Like, does that or whatever. All right, YB, that's good to know. What can you do? Give it time. Right? That's your risk to reward ratio with that trade. So if you're taking the high day break, your reward could be a new spike, a new rip, a new run. Whoa, dude, sorry, bro. Yeah, that's weird. I didn't even know Tradecaster had a box. That's cool. We dumping? Yes, sir. We are. I've never seen Tradecaster. What is it in a chat? That was funny. I didn't even know that color exists on this platform. It like in my mind for a second, I looked at that. I'm like, who is Tradecaster? And I'm like, what the heck? And I was like, oh, okay. But oh, my lighting is terrible right now, guys. Sorry. You guys can't even see my face. Hopefully that helps a little bit more. Anyways, what is it? Yeah, so there we go. And yeah, so you'll see that time and time again. Sorry, I got a little distracted there. You'll see that time and time again. It'll happen. And guess what? Hey, it's all good. It's all good, baby. We're not gonna stress. We're not gonna stress it, right? Don't put your emotions in the trading, right? So you just gotta rock with it. So here we go in the S&P now. I'm starting to see something like this now. Do I take puts up here? Do I take puts in this area? Am I tempted? Yeah. Yeah. Am I tempted? Very much. On ES, maybe one contract. One for the, one for the homies in the bag type situation. Let's get it. Is it, let me check out the 5 minute on the S&P. Let's check it out. I don't know, what are you guys thinking? Let's see. Okay, look at that. Lower highs here starting to form. I'm not against it. What would my stop loss be though? We're right there. I'm not in any position, by the way. I'm not in any position. But now that we're spiking a little bit, maybe a quick top wick, come back down type situation. It's going to be my name in that color. Yeah, I mean, I'm not even going to lie. Yeah, I've never even, I mean, I need my name in that color, dude. I don't even know what color that is, man. That's like an orange. It's like it's Halloween up in here. You know, maybe for Tradecaster, all the users' names could be in orange with like we'll do like a little you can pick between like a candy corn. I'll tell you, hey, maybe I can talk to Deck about that. That'd be pretty sick. You get like a candy corn, you can get like a pumpkin beside your name or something. You pick what you want. A little adaptation for Tradecaster. That'd be pretty cool. So pushing 440 now. So look at this. So let's look at the daily real quick too. Look at what we're at. This is what I'm saying as well. Hold on. Let's all calm down. Let's all slow roll. Slow down. I know there's a shit ton of lines here. You guys are like, what is your chart looking like? Yeah, buddy. What in the world is that chart? Give me a second. Don't mind my lines. Am I going to remove them? No. They're there for a reason. Alright? Do I know what some of the reasons are? I'd have to go back and look. But, yeah, so that's the 17 point. Okay, look at that. So we had a giant lower shadow, and we're starting to fill that out already. So maybe we could end around 441 area. All I'm saying is I'm not against it. Quick little spike. If we break this high here, I might get in some calls, though. I mean, I'm sorry. Might get on some ES longs. So we're going to take a look at NQ. NQ, I know Darth Trader trades NQ quite frequently. And, oh, man, dude, that would have been a perfect long opportunity. Look at that. Hold on, guys. Hold up. Can I trade NQ with this? Let's take a look. Let me go NQ. NQU3. Current market data subscription for this contract. Wait, yeah. Is for top of book. Would you like to continue and view only best bid and wait. Right. Yes, I think so. Yeah, right? Why not? Okay. 15254, 15254. There we go. Okay. So I can trade NQ with this. NQU3. Okay. Okay, so it is the right one. Okay, there we go. Alright. Thank you, Cherry. I appreciate that. So, just taking a look here. With all this top resistance, I mean, that wouldn't have been a bad play. I mean, you could have called a couple dollars. And NQ pays $5 for every tick, right? Every $1 move, right? So, with this thing sitting at $1,500, I mean, you know, you can make an account pretty quick. You can also break an account pretty quick. But, yes, sir. Yeah, man. I mean, like, I'm sitting here taking a look at it. $5 per tick. I think ES is 12.5 for every two. Wait, let me rewind. Every point. What is it? Every 0.25. But the situation is something like that. It's said no, not every dollar. Hold on. I'll let you guys take over. 1 tick equal 0.25. Okay. Not 12.5. I don't know what to do. Want to make some money? Well, Coach 7, are you up right now? Remember, it is a Friday. It's a Friday, so if you're up right now and you want to make some money, I mean, 0.25 equals $5. Yeah. Yeah, right? If my math's right, every dollar would be $5. Okay, all right, guys. All right, yeah, no, I'm no mathematician here. All right. So 1 point move. Oh, 1 point move is $20. Okay. Oh, dang. So that is like bank. So, like, let's say you catch, like, it goes from, like, 253 up to, like, 260. You're down 150 on the day? Well, okay, so what I'm looking at is S&P's making higher lows here. I don't have a move right this second. I would be patient. Stay patient, right? I will 100% let you know if I have a move coming up. And I'll let you know if it's going to be one of my more critical moves or if it's going to be trading ES, I'm going to be scalping. So I know trading contracts, I don't know, what brokerage are you using, Co7? What brokerage are you on? Because depending what brokerage you're on is what is going to matter the most. That's why it's a beast, because NQ rips like 30 points. Yeah, if NQ rips, I mean, my only fear, okay, hear me out, is let's say I'm long and I get one of these candles. That is like going to make me shit, like, you know. Let's just say I'm going to be like, whoa. Because what is that? How big of a move is that? The high here is 269, the low is 237. Okay, hold on. 69 minus 37. Listen. Okay, hold on. 32, and then times that by 20. So you would lose $640 off a move like that. Weeble. You're using Weeble. Okay, you only do options. Yeah, right, because you're using Weeble. That makes sense. Okay. I mean, more or less, I see a lot of higher lows here forming on the good old S&P. I would wait, very much wait. Do not punch anything in yet, because I did the exact same thing on ES a little bit earlier, right? A little bit ago. I seen all these higher lows forming, and I'm like, oh, I'm gonna punch it in. It's going up. We're going up, right? So you need type stops on N2, so you gotta get the direction correct and sizing, or you can get wrecked. Oh yeah, I think I would take like one contract or one long and just see how it goes on NQ, and then let's see where it goes from there. So look at that. So we had higher lows, just because of this last candle right there, just because of this candle right here, doing this, that marked this, you know, no longer valid type situation, right? So it's always critical to look and see. But if you want the best play you probably could get, I mean, you could take maybe longs right above right here, this trend line. You can take longs and maybe a dip buy, or shorts right here, down this trend line. You just have to have patience with it. I mean, but like, if you're looking for a trade right this second, man, I don't think I have anything for you. I mean, I'm not in any trades myself. I'm not going to recommend a trade for you I wouldn't take myself, so that's the thing, too. Do you know how to set stop loss on Ninja Trader? I've used that before. Oh, are you on futures? So when you're talking about that, you mean like with this right here, like this? For me, anyways, what I do is I just click on it. So I'm not gonna do it because it's NQ, and I'm afraid I'm gonna get my trashed. But let's say I want to go short, and I click like I'm gonna short it at the price of 25475. So when it goes up to 25475, I'll get short. Now my stop loss, then you put another one. You could put a buy order in at what is it at 261.25. So and the second it hits that, that's your stop loss, right? Now, I mean, you can also do it here to where, let's say I do like something like that. See how that sell one, buy one. You can make an order there, and then you can adjust your stops there on here. Now, on Ninja Trader, Ninja Trader, I was trying to think. Ninja Trader is the same thing in a way. I think so anyways. No stress, let me know when you see one. No, I got you, man, 100%. No, I'll always let you guys know when I'm in a trade, too. Unless I'm, like, not streaming. But then I don't try and trade unless it's free market. Like, I'm telling you guys, like, after I get off stream, like, I'm done streaming. Like, I'm done trading. I might hop on and take a look at the market. And, very rarely will I punch a trade in. That's going to be, like, actually critical or whatever. Sometimes I'll punch, like, dumb trades in. Or maybe, hold on, give me 1 second. Maybe I'll hold, let me grab this. Maybe I'll hold a contract or something for a little while. And I'll just watch it or whatnot. But nothing crazy. So yep, so that's where I'm at. That's where I'm at. Nothing crazy. Nothing fugazi fugazi for you guys. So I hope you guys are enjoying the stream. I really do. I'm trying to get it out there, trying to push the numbers for you. Oh man, I'm loving it. So, just waiting here, just waiting and watching. So, anyone doing anything fun over the weekend? Anyone doing anything fun? I know we're coming up on, post-holiday weekend, so I know a lot of you guys are probably just gonna chill out and, finally take that rest weekend. You guys probably went a little crazy last weekend. Went a little crazy. Plug, question mark? I'm not quite sure what you mean by that, Co7. Plug, like plunge, like going like fucking like skydiving. You going skydiving, Co? I had to think about that for a second when I was thinking about. Co7's going skydiving this weekend. I see. He's going plug. He's going plug it. At a man. S&P making higher lows, starting to really punch it in here. Hold on. Plug ticker. Oh, the ticker. Oh, okay. Just make sure you add the money sign behind that, but I'll check that out for you. Yeah, like, I was so confused. I'm like, plug? Plug. Okay, hold on. Plug power. Plug power is on a little bit of a rip. I've never actually checked the stock out before. There you go. Let me see. Is this $10 stock? Are you looking at options for this? Oh, you only trade options. Let me check this out then. Hold up. Okay, next week 100% if you're even looking to scalp it. Don't take this week. Next week, and the spreads really aren't terrible. Not too much volume. IV's a little high. So you might get eaten up a little bit by theta, but the spreads aren't terrible. They're actually normal spreads. I was expecting the spreads on a $10 stock to be like really bad. So if you want volume, I mean, make sure you're trading the contracts with volume if you want to actually like make some money on these, right? So like the $11 ones, I mean, they're $30 a contract, but they have 2,300 shares in volume, and that's the ones I see that have the most. Besides the $10 ones, which are $80. But they also have those are in the money, so you're not going to make as much. So 100% I would recommend, if you're going to trade plug, trade the $11 call contracts of next week expiration, and then trade the those are just so cheap, man. That's so hard. Yeah, if you're looking at options, I mean, that's so hard. Yeah. Oh, S&P, quick touch. Look at this. Look at the higher lows here, guys. If it gets a little banana squeeze, might hop in here. For a little second. Little bit of higher low formation. Might hop in for a quick scalpy OCO. I kind of want to trade NQ though. Not gonna lie, I kind of want to trade NQ. NQ is Chop City though. That is terrible. I'm sorry. That's bad. It looks like it wants to come down, but that is pretty bad. Never mind spy calls. Just give it a second though. Don't punch it in yet. Look at that. We made a little bit of a tip. You don't want to be the guy that buys up here and then sells down here. And while everyone buys at the view up, you're selling at the view up, right? Because you think it's gonna crack. And then you're riding all the way back up, and you're out, whatever, and you buy back in up here when everyone's taking their profits. Yeah, it's just a terrible process. So just give it a second. Let's all hold our horses. Let's give it a minute. So plug, if you're trading shares, Co, I mean, I know you trade options on Webull. If you're trading shares at all, if you ever want to, I would suggest, that's not a bad play for shares. At 1075 or whatever, 75 point mark, breaks 75, it's there right now. Spikes above, goes to 1080, 1090 area. I have not checked out any past chart history, so don't quote me on any of this. So, like, you know what I mean? I haven't even taken a look at the past chart. Okay. So we're like right there. So 88, 95, 87. So right around the 87, 88 mark. Then you got 95 as a wick. You got $11 and then 11, 12. So actually not a bad play in a lot of spots, but you just got to be cautious. Be very careful, especially with a lot of these tickers. Okay, higher lows are really starting to kick here on the S&P. I'm not punching anything in yet until I see this confirmation. I just don't want it to wick and then come right back down. That's my only thing. So just giving it a minute. Giving it a big minute. Gonna stick the headphones back on. All right, here we go. Potentially here on the S&P. Looking to maybe get filled here. I don't know yet. Just giving it a second. Giving it a quick minute. I'm not against where my point's at. I'm not against it. Right around that 10.16. Right there it is. 4.16. There it is. There's a little bit of a pop. Giving it a second. Had that wick. See, guys? Look at that. Look at that wick. No entry. Did not get filled at all. Didn't punch anything in. Look at that wick, guys. This market is wild right now, man. So, hey, man, if you took puts up there, though, you're printing. 100% on that. I will agree. I will say that. Hold on. Let me pull up ES. But, yeah, you are printing off that. Good stuff. So, big upper shadow there. Big upper shadow. Could start to see it come down if it can't reclaim it. Starting to reclaim it, though. Oh, baby. Oh, baby. Starting to reclaim it. If it can reclaim it, I might get in there. I like it if it can reclaim it. I'll go all the way back up to 17, 18. Maybe break of 20. Maybe break of 20. Oh, yeah, let's look at my... Hold up. Let me get rid of that for you guys. Hold up. There you go. I just realized I had that up the entire time. Another touch. What's the high here? 19?
Order filled.
All right, I'm in. I'm in for another breakout. Let's see if this thing can go here. Let's see if this thing can start to really rip and run here. There we go. Remember, patience. You gotta have patience with these plays. Let's see if we can get a red to green move. Red to green, baby. Let's see if we can start to hold these highs here. Let's see if we can break 25. We're at 19. Let's see it break. Let's see it. Let's see the break here at 20. We want the break at 20. We want to see 21 and 22 start to flash. If we can see 21 and 22, I'll feel a lot more confident in this trade. Remember, this is on ES right now. ES, there we go. Hold on. Hold on. Hold your horses. Hold your horses. There we go. There we go. Let's get it. Let's get it, ES. Come on, baby. Let me get it. Let me hit him with a good, yeah, buddy. Let me hit him with a good one. Yeah, give me a reason to hit him with a good one. Come on. So higher lows forming here on S&P. There we go. 2-1. You want 2-1, 2-2? Would it hit a high? 2-2 flashed. 2-2 did flash. Higher lows are holding now. Higher lows holding. Let's see it. 2-1, 2-2, 2-3. Let's see it. Let's see it. Let's see the momentum. Let's see the volume start to kick in, baby. Yeah, buddy. Oh, man, I'm feeling something. Woo! Gotta hold now, though. Has to hold up. Has to hold up. Let's see it start to hold up. Let that not be a top of it. Look at that top of it. Let's get it, S&P. Let's get it. Let's get a spike. Let's get a rip, a run to the top side. Come on, baby. Right. Raise the energy in the room, guys. Raise the energy in the room. Right, hate yourself. Yeah, buddy. Let's get it. Come on, S&P. Yeah, buddy. So you want to see 440-30 start to push, come in and hit again. So what you want to see here, this to hold. You want these highs to hold. You don't want it to start to dump down. You want to see 442.4 start to hit again. A red to green move, I'm not against it. A little bit of lower shadow. There we go. A little bit of a red to green move. Break 2-4, red 2-1. I like it. That's a break. Has to break. My stop is going to be below 14. feeling energized? You guys feeling hyped? You guys liking today? I know I am. I know I'm loving it. I'm loving today. I wish you would rip the fun here though. Let's see this. What's up? No. We're gonna turn on a different playlist for you guys. We're gonna turn on a different playlist. Don't you guys worry. Don't you guys worry. You don't want to see this thing. You want to see this thing start to spike again though. So give me 1 second. That's why I'm giving it a quick mini OCO. There we go. So a little bit of a red to green move's fine. If this thing can start to break, this lower highs that's forming, I want it to come back up to 2-2, break it, go up to 2-3, 2-4. Let's see it. There we go. Come on, baby. Come on, baby. You know you want to. So we did catch that. If you guys caught that, I mean, I probably couldn't even. I mean, I can place a sell order in, like a limit order. I should have maybe done that, but I wasn't really looking for for that. Maybe I should have limit ordered a sell order essentially. So I should have clicked sell. I mean, I just kind of mark it in and out. I'm not really looking for. I actually limit. I do limit in and out. I buy the bid, sell the ass, but I didn't on this particular one. There you go. That's words for you. So looking for a little bit of a spike here. Looking for a little bit of a rip and run. Maybe back up to 30. We're at these highs here. That looks like we'll see. We'll see. We'll see. We'll see. Row here. Row here. Right here. Yeah, that'd be the right word. Nah, nothing for me yet. Nothing for me yet. Just waiting. Nothing. I knew it. I knew it. I see it coming. Guys, I kind of see a turnover happening. Gonna get
Order
out.
filled.
Got out of my position. I kind of see a turnover coming. So that was $50 gone. Well, $50 gone or whatever. On ES or whatnot. On ES. So these trades today, man, they're just, you know, they're mess. Okay, and here we go. Here we go. Yeah, buddies, out of your trades. Guys, get in. Everyone get in. Everyone get in right now. You want to know why? Because I'm out of my trade. I'm out of mine, so everyone get in. Mother. Like, bro. I know some of you guys feel the same way, dude. When you guys get in a trade, and it just goes from, the second you exit, it's just like, oh, word, okay. So today's one of those days, man. It's just, I do see a turnover happening, though. I was low-key, I was thinking about reversing my position. Because look at what happened. So the same thing kind of happened over here. Right? We kind of had all this chop or whatever. We had a big upper shadow or whatnot. And then it, you know, kind of started to spike down. But we have too many. We have this right here, man. Look at that. Look at that. Right? Like, right? Do we all see that? So, if you guys are in, you guys are still good as long as that holds up. I'm still thinking about getting back in. I might get back in here, guys. Gonna get back in here. I'm thinking about it. As long as that lower high doesn't hold, maybe if we get a little bit of a pullback. Is this the pullback? Maybe, eh?
Order filled.
Got in there. Looking for a breakout. I'm looking for the breakout. Why do you keep getting in? Hey, yeah, buddy. You're dumb. Stop getting in type situation. Yada, yada, yada. For one, I'm looking for a scalp. Right? I'm looking for a tick, 2 ticks, 3 ticks. Oh, look at NQ, though. Hold up. Man, maybe I should be trading NQ. Maybe I should be trading NQ, guys. Puts or calls? Honestly, I got in on calls. If it breaks this, though, I'm immediately out, and I'm not against puts. That's why I'm just waiting for the breakout to the top side if it wants to come in and play. You know what? Actually, hold on. Starting to break that little point there, back down to 14. It has to spike here. It has to spike. It's just because it's so much chop right now. Look at that. But the lower highs are holding up, right? Lower highs are holding up, holding up, holding up. They've been holding up since what seems to be like 11:30 area. But I'll be out. I'll be out if they can't hold. Yep.
Order filled.
I'm not. Nope. Right there. It is. So I'm not testing the waters with this. I do not want another candle like this. I don't want another candle like this on me. So if you guys want puts, though, not a bad spot right now to get in on puts. So 3 contracts, maybe to the put side.
Order filled.
All right, there we go. Oh man, immediately. Oh, there we go, buddy. Oh yeah, buddy. There's a little bit of a dump. Let's see if that speed can keep this volume up. Let's see. Woo! There we go. There we go, S&P. So, hey, sometimes you can't be afraid. You can't be scared to be like, okay, I was wrong. Let me flip the script, right? So, there we go. So, starting to dump now, the S&P. Let's see if we can touch the 50. Let's see if we can get down that low now. See if we can go down to the floor now, baby. All right, that's what I'm looking for. I'm looking for it to go to the floor, okay? See, and look at this action. So if this thing wicks and it starts to hit the high day, guys, that's my last trade of the day. I'm done. I'm out. I'm donezo. You wanna know why? The price action is just terrible this week. It did it all yesterday as well. There we go. Okay. It did it all yesterday as well, though. So this has to reclaim this candle, this little wick. That's what I want to see. I wanted to see it reclaim it. Look at that, guys. Because I'll trade next week when there's not this. Like, I don't know. I hate this kind of action. Where it's clear cut. It just broke this. Boom. I guess I could have taken my profit there. Not looking for a couple pips. Like, you know what I mean? Like a couple cents or whatever, right? So just trying to think here. Trying to think and see what I want to do. If this thing goes red here, this thing goes red, starts to really kill it to the downside. I'm not against it. It really starts to it has to punch it in though. It does have to punch it in. Look at that. Look at that, guys. Look at how big these candle wicks are. Look at that. Now look at that. Okay, reclaim that one instantly. Trap pattern potentially. And just spikes. Like this isn't even like a bad ticker. This is the S&P 500 we're talking about right now. Like yeah, guys, we're talking about the S&P 500 right now, doing this weird, so weird price action. Right? We have boom, drop. Oh, never mind. We're popping back up. Lower shadow, popping back up. Now we're going down. Now we're popping back down. Now we're not gonna break a high. Now we're coming back up. Now we're gonna come up here. Now we're gonna go like. What is going on? So, outage is going to be right around here, the 442.4 area. I'm hoping it doesn't get up that high. If it can get a little bit of a spike, I'll be okay with it. Last trade of the day, though. Last trade of the day. I can't do the price action. Time is 11:46 too, so it's just not it. It's not it, guys. So be very careful. If you guys are green on the day, and like I said, I'm break even on my other one. I'm near break even anyways on my my interactive brokers, and today on this one on the what is it, prop firm count down like 250, 300. Yeah. This thing has to start to reverse here. I really don't like it. I don't like the price action that's been going on, but I won't force anything. And look at that. So maybe we're picking the direction of the top side now. And we're really going to start to hit, rip, and run. But I do not want to be in shorts when that happens. So what are you guys feeling? Look at ES. Look at that barcoding action. Look at this, guys. This is disgusting. Disgusting. This is really bad. So, I mean, I've been killing it the past couple weeks. I love it. This month has been, I mean, I think yesterday's my first day trading actually this month, but essentially it was a little bit before July 4th I traded, but not too much, right? But it's just, if it's not the day, it's not the day. But I want this thing to die here. That's the big game plan. You want it to come down and really start to die off. You want the volume to start to really pick up. The volume's like almost dead on this play, right? So we're gonna bring this back. Hold on.
Guess who's back?
Oh yeah. Oh yeah, baby. Get hyped. Get hyped. Feel some energy coursing through your body, guys. So who here is in a play right now and is printing, is in a position, they're loving it, they're loving life. They can't wait to go cook some burgers. You know, go eat some breakfast with the kids. Go eat some dinner for lunch. Let me know. So I'm looking for the sell-off to really start to hit. Look for that sell-off to hit. Oh, kind of mistake. So, had to hit him with that one. Had to hit him with that one. Okay. So, just waiting. Just waiting, just watching. Any of you guys have any positions? Let me know. Let me know. Last trade of the day. Volume is absolutely and utterly dead, you guys. Look at this. When I call it a day, I think all of you guys should almost call it a day. I would not be in this for too much longer. We had volume in the beginning of the day. I think it's just time to wrap it up. Call it a day. Call it quits. Right? We're like damn near close to that time. NQ is the only thing that looks decent. NQ looks like a ripper or a monster. Looks like a mover. But after this, man, I think I'm going to go rip the bike around a little bit. And go enjoy life. You know, go spend time with the dog. You guys ever seen my dog? Oh, let me show you. Let me show you Tango. His name's Tango. Like a Durango, because he's a beast. Hold on. Let's see if I can find a good one. This is him. He what is it? We had to we were fixing up a chair. Hold on. Let me try and see if we can get this in a little bit closer here. There you go. Don't mind that broken chair in the background. Oh man, hold on. S&P starting to get a little bit of movement. S&P starting to get a little bit of movement. All right, guys, I'm not gonna be the guy that stays in this for too much longer. I think it's about time to call this play. We're right at the 224 area. S&P starting to get some movement. All right, here you guys go. Hold on, can you see that? You see my little ring light? That's Tango for you. It's a Doberman pincher. Oh man, he's a fun dog. I love him. Very energetic. I think he's a little sus too. It's okay. My buddy has a dog named Richard, and he's trying to get frisky. Richard, chillest dog in the world. I swear, I've never met a more chill dog. Never. What did you get in? I've been holding these puts. I've been in these puts, ES puts. Now NQ. I mean, NQ just looks like I should just take some longs on NQ and call it a day, right? I don't know if I can have multiple positions though. Maybe I'll try like one. Like one? Am I allowed to hold different tickers? Am I allowed to?
Order filled.
I guess we'll see. I'm in one NQ. One NQ long right now. Hold on. In one NQ long. I want to see NQ break this top here. I just see higher lows forming on NQ. That's my thing though. So I will have a tight stop because everyone says that NQ can be crazy. Oh, here we go. Here we go, NQ. Here we go. NQ with a quick spike. NQ with a little bit of a rip and run. I want to see this thing hit again. Let's see it. Let's see it up near these highs. Let's see it up near these highs, baby. Come on, NQ. Come on, NQ. Push. Push, spike, rip, run. Oh, gosh. Oh, gosh. Should I sell off, guys? Should I get out of this? Oh, gosh. Oh. Oh, there we go, S&P. S&P with the sell-off. All right, I think I'm gonna get out of it. Oh, maybe. Are they the same thing? Guys, okay, wait. Maybe I shouldn't do this. I'm terrible. I'm terrible at multitasking. I'm looking at two positions right now. I want NQ to rip and I want SP to dump. Right, isn't that bad? Is that bad? Okay. Alright, so if they're following each other, I would rather get out of NQ than be in it. And watch this thing dump or whatever. So just in case, I might cover this position here. Yeah.
Order filled.
Yeah, I had to get out of that NQ position just in case. Because this S&P one's coming down though. There we go. So the S&P one's now starting to print my ES position. My ES, my shorts are coming in. There we go, baby. There we go. Oh, man. ES, baby. ES. ES starting to come in. There we go. Starting to fill it out. Starting to get them lows. Starting to push it. Let's see it. Let's see it start to... It's getting crazy on me. It's starting to get really crazy on me here, guys. Hold on. Hold on. My hands are in the air. Hold on, guys. Hold up. Hold up. Let's see it. Let's see it punch in for a little bit more. Should I start taking this? Hold up. I might take one here. I don't like the wickage. Oh, I don't like the wickage.
Order filled.
Took one. Holding another. Holding two more. A little bit of a pop.
Order filled.
Still in one. One more here. Might let this runner run just for the next candle to come in with the lower highs for me. Hold on, actually.
Order
I'm
filled.
gonna take that and I might look at NQ real quick. Guys, I'm doing wait. Save my ass, buddy. I got you, man. Hey. Listen, sometimes you gotta wait it out. You gotta wait the play out, okay? You gotta wait it out. Alright? Sometimes you're looking at me and you're like, you're crazy. You're wild. What are you doing? Wait it out. Alright, you gotta trust me. Do you have faith in me? Do you have faith in you, buddy? Just trust, okay? Listen. I got you guys. Right now, I'm not in anything. I cut all my positions. I cut them all. We're done. Alright, I might be done for the day, guys. I might call it. I just made back a rather decent amount on my, you're green now? Yeah, good shit, brother. Good shit, man. Like, yeah. I mean, honestly, the only thing I'll look at is maybe some NQ longs and anything, but, I mean, I feel like I'm getting a little crazy up in here. I feel like I'm doing a little bit of over trading, but, guys, we're green. Alright, we're green. Are you guys green? Like, yeah, buddy! Like, Co7's now green. Right, I'm chilling. I'm like essentially break even on my one spot. Yeah, buddy. This is what we do, baby. We come in, we print. What's the time? 11:56. Hey. Oh, come on, one more. All right, maybe some NQ longs here.
Order filled.
Alright, one NQ long. One NQ long. Oh, the run. Let's see an NQ. Let's see an NQ. Let's see an NQ. Come on, baby. Let's spike. Let's whip and run all the way up to 5. Alright, I'm just waiting it out. We're waiting it out. There we go. Trying to pick up some volume here on NQ. Oh, S&P also. Oh my gosh. NQQ. Oh, not NQQ. Oh, there we go. NQ on futures. If you look for a potential, another one like that, look for ES or look for S&P. Well, let me get Co7 solved. Oh my gosh, dude, that goes so hard. That goes so hard. We're touching that. Let's see if we can break that. I'm in on NQ right now. So what I'm looking at and what you can look for is the S&P rip here, right? Now, keep your tight stop on that. Keep your tight stop. Oh my gosh, dude, that goes so hard. The bull is Giza. Right, dude? Like, look at this right here, dude. So I'm just chilling out right now. I'm waiting for it to, I want to see if it can break here. Maybe break 275.11 or whatnot. Let's see. Look at that. S&P and ES is ripping. We're running, guys. We're going. I want to see it. I don't know what NQ follows, if NQ follows anything, but it's going, essentially. They're all going. Here we go. Here we go, baby. Here we go, baby. Higher lows for me, baby. Let's see it. Let's see the green. Let's see it come into play. Oh, man, I might just run around my room. I might just rip a sweatshirt off. Oh, my gosh. Here we go, guys. There it is. Hey, printing, ripping, and running. Woo! What the? Oh, my gosh, guys. Can you guys ask for anything better? Can you guys ask for anything? Can you guys ask for a better play? Anything better? Probably. But not with this one. Oh my gosh, dude. I hope you guys are feeling the energy. You just touched it. Alright. Hold up. Let's see if we get another push here on NQ. There we go. And shout and let it all out. And scream and shout and let it out. We saying oh, there we go. Hold on. Another higher low formation. Oh my gosh, guys. Guys, it's right around noon. Oh my gosh, though. S&P, if you guys took it on S&P, if you guys took it on NQ, you guys are printing right now. gosh. I think it's rats. I think I'm gonna call it. I think I might cut it.
Order filled.
I'm done, guys. Like so, I just made back. Oh my gosh, I'm out. I'm done, guys. I gotta stop trading today. It gotta be wrapped. I can't. I'm doing too much. Alright, spy calls. I was saying baby calls with it ripping like this and running. It's just going crazy. I can't be, oh man.
I get those goosebumps every
So I hope you guys, I'm sorry if that was a little loud. You guys were loud or whatnot. Hope you guys have all printed today. Hope you guys have all made some money back. Maybe you guys are green. I'm hoping you guys are green. Got some break even on that trade. Anyways, I'm out for the day. We are still going, bro. If you guys are in, you guys are sprinting, and this is what we do. So, enjoy your weekend. Enjoy the profit. Take them and run. I would not be trading afternoon towards 1 o'clock area. So, if I were you guys, maybe hop off with me. Take them and run, guys. Enjoy it. Let's all hit a good yeah, buddy, for this Friday, baby. And I'll see you guys all back here Monday, 10 AM EST. 3, 2, 1. Yeah, buddy. Peace, guys. See you guys.
Order filled. Order filled.